Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing the mystery tackle box slam for the month of November. It is about the middle of the month when I'm doing this, so probably be a few days later before you guys see this video. But yeah, it's a chilly morning. It's supposed to warm up later. Sun's supposed to be out all day. Not sure what the wind's gonna do. The wind is probably gonna suck like it usually does. It's fall though. It's pretty much the norm. So just gotta get used to it. Make the wind your friend. And if you don't like the wind, well, find a spot to get out of it. So we're gonna try to complete the slam. I got everything pretty much all rigged up, ready to go, except for that one blade bait, which I got a spinning rod out, so all I gotta do is hook it up there. So I think we're gonna start out with some top water here. I got a calm bank here. I'm not sure, it's pretty shallow, but we're gonna start out with some top water, and then move on from there and see if we can't complete this slam. It's probably gonna be a tough one with those two top water baits. You know, I'm not sure how it's all gonna pan out, but we'll give it a shot. The initial slam is aimed for bass, so maybe we can do an unofficial slam, you know, including pike too. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But the main intent, the main goal for this slam is all bass. So let's get after it here and see what we can make out of it. It's gonna be a chilly one. Start out with anyway. Yeah, runny nose type of day. Okay, well, time like the present, right? Let's get this down here. Okay. So far this top water bait is not, so there we go. This top water is actually working a lot better than that other one that I used. Same brand, same everything, just different color. I don't know what was going on with the other one, but it just was not working right. This one seems a little bit better. It takes a little bit to get this one going, but once you do, it seems to work okay. Trying to get anything on this cast. I'm gonna move up a bit. We're gonna have to move some spots. We're gonna have to start running around. It's starting to get to be about that time where it's don't have much time left in the day. Look at a fish. Look at a fish. It's a pike though. I don't know if he's too small to keep. Too small to keep, but it's a sign here. It's a fish, not a sign, not really a sign at all. Come on, buddy, just throw a hook in my hand. Oh yeah, just a just a little dude. A little dude that had it hooked pretty good. There we go. There he is, just a little one. That is the first catch today, and we've been fishing for a while. I'm a little embarrassed to say, but yeah, it's been a tough day. We're getting some bites here and there, but just nothing that's really committing. I don't know. It's been tough. Water temp. I mean, this is probably about the time where it does start to get to be really tough. Water temp is about 45 degrees, so a lot of things I'm trying to throw probably are not the best things to throw at this time of the year, but you can still get bites on them. Can still work. I'm going to keep throwing this for a little bit longer. Like I said, I want to try and get bass on these lures, not just pike. So we'll give it a shot for a little bit longer here. There's another fish. The drag is really loose though. A pike? I don't know. This one's a bass. There we go. All right. Literally the next cast after that pike, got a bass with this lure here. Oh, see him in the sun here. See a little bit better. Yeah. Nice. Nice little fish here. Definitely not a giant, but can cross off the bladed jig. Awesome. It's been, like I said before, like when I caught that last pike, it's been tough. It's been really tough here. And he was up shallow too. So I don't know, maybe I just gotta find the roamers. Got a cup of water. There he goes. And he didn't really hammer it either. So it was more of a slurp, and then he was just on there. So I don't know. That kind of tells me that since he didn't hammer it, like really like knock slack or get too aggressive with it, that they're not real aggressive right now. And a couple of these baits, like these top waters, I'm gonna have a hard time catching fish on them, I think, today. But we'll keep after it here. Got one bait done. See if we can knock out a couple more here. Knock out the rest. Yeah, let's throw top water out here so we can get them strike the top water. Maybe there's a couple more out there. I'd like to get these top waters knocked out of the way as soon as possible, because these are going to be harder ones to do. Especially this one that doesn't work very well. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to have to find a real dumb bass to to bite this stupid thing. You know, usually I don't like to talk smack about baits unless they're really bad, but you know, this looks cool. It looks really good, but it's not. It takes forever for these props to actually start spinning, and then it sinks too much at the beginning. Like, I think a lot of times it takes me 20 feet if I'm doing a long cast, 20 feet before these props start moving, and then it'll kind of sound good, but even then it's sporadic is what it seems like. Like they don't I don't know, I just don't like it. We're gonna try and get fish on this as soon as possible, and then get rid of it. fish. Ah, dang it. Well, that was a bass. Well, okay. So I just got a bite, and all I was trying to do is trim up the motor because we're going to get a little shallow here. But I had a bite, so I was not expecting that. It was paused for so long, and all of a sudden I felt my line jump. I'm just like, what the heck? Yeah. And it was a bass. He was on there. He felt the hook, so he won't bite again, but maybe there's another one in there. We got another fish here, got another bass. There we go. Oh, heads up. Sorry, buddy. Did not mean to do that to you. We completed the jerkbait, just about took it to the face. But, yeah, I shouldn't have flipped him in like that. I know better than that. He barely slurped it. I barely got a decent hook set on him. I actually thought there's those rocks up there, so I actually thought it was rocks that I was hitting. But cool, knocked the jerkbait out. Now we only got 3 more baits left. Let's get this done. Pike though. You might count them. Small pike. Small little pike here. Yeah, it's been, man, this water is cold. It's been a while since we caught anything, so I didn't have much to show you guys. It's kind of a bummer of a video. Sorry about that, but I don't know. I'm gonna keep throwing this around a little bit here. Try to see if we can get a bass on this. On this bait, but yeah, I don't know, it's been tough. It's been really tough today. It's okay. It's you know, it's a nice day. It's nice to be out anyways. It's better than a bunch of snow falling on the ground. So I'm gonna keep milling around here, see if we can't get anything else, get any bass. Whatever it is, it feels good. I don't think it's a bass though. Oh yeah, it is. It's a nice bass. There we go. Alright. Well, took a little bit. Finally, but I did get you guys one on this worm. That was a bass, not a pike. So we knocked those 2 baits out of the park. We're running out of time, so I'm going to dump him back in. It's a nice 2.5, probably almost close to 3 pounds. And I lied when I said earlier we only got these 2 and the 2 top waters. I still have that blade bait too, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it all taken care of, but we're going to try. I'm probably going to try that blade bait now, actually, just for a little bit here, and see if we can't get that taken care of, because top water, I don't know, conditions aren't quite right yet. It's starting to get darker out, so that's not bad, it's better. I do like that, but the top, or the top of the water, there's a lot of ripple, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna get that blade bait out now and see if we can get another fish. Okay, let's see. Gotta go. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it. Well, we failed to slam. I was able to catch a bass on that worm instead of that pike, so I feel pretty good. I feel better about that. Hey, sometimes that's just the way it's gonna go. When you fish, if you fish as many times, or if you fish a lot in the fall, eventually you're gonna have a tough day. It's just the way it goes. Fish are moving, they're roaming, they're not as schooled up anymore that I'm noticing. So hindsight, I should have covered more water, actually, and I should have kept going a little bit more. It's hard to with top waters and worm, with the worm, and so, but we left 3 baits on 3 baits that didn't get fish on. So I don't know, it could have been worse, really, honestly. It could have been, the day could have been much worse. So I'm thankful for what we found and what we caught, but failed slam. Well, sorry about that, guys, but yeah, eventually it's just gonna happen at some point, especially in the fall when things are changing, like I said before. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys have stuck around through this, I really appreciate you guys, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.